Bum, bum, bum. Welcome to the all-new Mondo Mountain. What? Nope. All right, all-new redesigned Mondo Mountain. All right, nope, not redesigned, but I did move it from over there to over here because I needed more space. All right, but that's not why you're here today, my friends. You are here to look at this sucker. Yes, look at that, my friends. All right, not only did I get this, I got some brand new tires. Got me the new narrow Super Swampers. Man, I do need to make a video about tires because people have been talking about the Enduras, and I got the brand new ones. I got the Baja Pros. I got the tractor tires. I got these, the Trail Kings. Those are freaking huge. But not here today to do that. Today, my friends, we are here to do an unboxing video. And if you're here for knowledge, then you are at the wrong place because I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I did get one of these suckers, and today we are gonna talk about it. All right, I got it from Randy's Hobbies. I ordered it on the 31st, which was the first day that you can order it, and they called me the very next day to pick it up. What? So I got it in on April Fool's Day, but I didn't have time to pick it up. I just picked it up 2 days ago, and it's been sitting here because I have not had time to make a video, but today I have some time because my wife is not here. She is gone. So we're gonna do an unboxing video of this sucker. We're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. Hard body, that's what I'm talking about. Nothing else is different, but that is good enough. Is it gonna be as good as the Kyosho? What? There it is. All right, let's open it up. There it is. Man, it looks awesome. I wasn't sure what color to get. They have it in red, they have it in blue. I went ahead and decided to get the silver one because I already got a blue vehicle and I got a red vehicle. But now I kind of regret it because the red one looks freaking awesome. All right, get this sucker opened up. Let's get my scissors right here and we'll cut this. I don't want to cut the truck. There it is. And man, all right, let's do a comparison. This against the Gladiator. Whoa, all right, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was gonna be about the same size as the Gladiator, and clearly you can see it is smaller. All right, is it the same size as the Deadbolt? Yeah, looks about the same size. Is it the same links? They don't look like they're the same. Maybe I got shorter links in the back, but the body length looks about the same. I think you might even be able to switch the bodies, but this sucker feels awesome. Man, look at that. All right, feels way tougher. I tell you this right now. I got the other new Jeep, and this sucker is super janky. It already cracked right there. It cracked back here, cracked back here. The body is way janky on these new SCX 24s. The bodies on the old ones, these right here, freaking awesome, tough. Never break. This one never breaks. This one kind of janky. This one kind of janky. This one, man, it feels super tough. I like it so far. All right, let's open it up and see what's different under the hood. All right. Oh, nothing. It looks like it's the same motor. All right, I like how they have the battery mounted sideways. Maybe that's a new thing for weight distribution, but it does look freaking awesome. All right, I love these, which is the version 2 controllers. They are way more, how can I put it? Way more better for throttle control. That's all right. Let's see what else is in the box. Get rid of this sucker right here. All right, we got the batteries. We got the book here. Oh, look, there's some stickers in here. Let's open up these stickers and see what they are. I don't think I got stickers in the other vehicles, so this is gonna be a new thing. Oh yeah, look at that, body trim stickers. Oh look, the different badges for the Bronco. Man, there's different trim levels that you can use. I want to say these are from the launch edition. So if you got the launch Bronco, I think it had these stripes on the side, so maybe I can add that, or maybe I can add one of these Badland badges, or maybe one of the, ooh look, it's got the wall track badge. All right, there's different badges you can add on it. So I guess you can decide which version you want. That would be freaking cool if I had a Bronco. That way I can match it up, maybe even repaint the outside. I do like all these accessories on the top. You can take these sand rails off. Look at that. They clip right off so you can use them on the trail and then put them right back. Boom, there it is. Feels like the suspension is a little stiffer than the other vehicles. Maybe the same springs that are on the back of the Gladiator. That's what it kind of feels like. But it feels awesome. I bet it's because the weight, yep, does feel a lot heavier, so the springs are probably stiffer to control the weight a little better. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Let's open this sucker up. Oh, I'm having trouble getting this sucker out. We gotta get the remote. All right. Come on, box. Come on, box. Oh, rip the box there. Some people are gonna be mad about that. All right, there it is. We got us the remote, and it is the version 2 controller, which I absolutely love. It fits perfect. Man, the throttle control on this one is way better. The big thing I like is it's got the controller here, so if you do the 3-wheel steer, you can actually control it from here right on the course. Man, that's freaking awesome. Do love that. Feels great. The old controller felt good too. It was a little small, so my thumb kind of felt crammed on that one. Feels way better on this one, so I absolutely love that. And you got the other charger. This is the new version of the charger. The first version, super janky. Half the time it didn't work. These, actually, they're really good. I've had batteries that I left in the Gladiator by accident, and it drained the battery, and I was able to charge it using this instead of using my better charger. All right, let's get this sucker open, get these batteries out, and let's put them in the vehicle, and let's get it on the course and see how it kind of performs. I don't have time to do a full video because my wife will be here any minute now. But I'll try and get it on the course and see how it performs, at least on some of the more technical obstacles. I'm curious to see if the roof rack is gonna hit on some pieces of the course. All right, let's get it on there and see how it does, and see if it even fits, and see how it works. All right, I gotta plug this sucker in. All right, this is kind of weird how it's set up on the battery. I wonder if it's gonna give it better weight distribution. But man, maybe I could take that and move the battery. Man, maybe I can use this bracket to move the battery to the front of the vehicle and make it fit a little better and give it a better front weight distribution. All right, man, I'm trouble getting this sucker back in. All right, let's put this Velcro back on. And let's turn this sucker on here. And let's get it on the course. All right, gotta get those trimmed in there. Oh, nice, it's got the cowboy in there. Ooh, look, the hat is different. It's got a different hat. Wait, that took that cowboy out. This cowboy, no, it's the same hat. All right, it's the same cowboy, I guess. Look at that. All right, let's see what the controller does. I think you can control the lights. Yep, sure can. There it is. Emergency mode, lights on and lights off. I'll probably be taking that off and maybe doing 3-wheel steer or 2-wheel steer or 4-wheel steer on this sucker. All right, let's get it on the course. And I'm curious to see how it does on some of the jumps here and some of the climbs. There it is, man, you could tell it is super jumpy. All right, ooh, throttle control is freaking awesome. I love the throttle control. Tires, yep, same tires. They're gonna have a lot of trouble here. There it is, all right. Nope, having some trouble. Yep, these tires are no better than the other stock tires, and they are janky. We're probably gonna have to help it here. All right, come on. Give it a push, give it a push. There we go. All right, let's get over to the other side and see if you could even make it on this climb. Nope, tires are probably not gonna. There it is. Yep. All right, definitely needs some new tires. All right, let's see how it does. Man, it is super top heavy. It's gonna be probably as top heavy as the Gladiators are. Look. All right, let's see if I can even make this little turn right here. Definitely needs upgrades. Way top heavy. I can't even get to some parts of the course. Look at that. All right. Let me back it up. All right, let me see if I give it a little help right here. Can I make this climb? No, sir. It is definitely not gonna make that climb. Will it make this climb? Probably will not. Oh, there it goes. Nope. Nope, cannot control the front end. All right, let's see how it does over here on the Amazon bridge. Will it get over the bridge here? Nope, tires are too janky, will not make that climb. All right, let's see if it just makes it over this one hump right here. All right, so yeah, it's probably gonna be the same body as, or the same steering links as the Gladiator. I'm sorry, not the Gladiator, as the JL, because it cannot make it over that hump right there. All right, there it is, my friends. I need to definitely do some upgrades because this sucker is not even able to make it halfway through the course. There it is, my friends.